Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Fabric and Fabric mods to Minecraft 1.21.x on your Mac. Let's get started. Before we begin, please make sure you have Minecraft fully installed on your Mac. You'll also need Java installed. If you don't have either of these, don't worry. I've included video links in the description below that will guide you through the installation process. Okay, now that we have Java and Minecraft installed, let's open the Minecraft launcher. Select the version of Minecraft you want to install Fabric for. In our case, let's say it's Minecraft version 1.21.x. Once selected, click play. Let the game load completely. This ensures we have all the necessary files for Fabric. Now, you can quit out of the game. Next, we need to download Fabric. Open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. I've also put a link in the description for you. Click on Download, then click Download Installer, universal.jar. Save the installer to your desktop for easy access. Once the Fabric installer has been downloaded, right-click it and select Open. Then, click Open again. We're doing this because it's from an unverified developer. The Fabric installer should now be open. Make sure you're on the Client tab. Select your Minecraft version, which is 1.21x in this case. Ensure the latest version of the loader is selected. Also, make sure Create Profile is ticked. Now click Install. This will install Fabric to your Minecraft launcher. Click OK once the installation is complete. You can now exit out of the installer and even delete it. Fabric is now installed. Let's verify this. Open the Minecraft launcher. You might need to restart it. Click on the Profile drop-down menu. You should see the Fabric Loader profile there. Great. We can now start playing with Fabric mods, but first, we need to install them. Minimize the Minecraft launcher. Now, go to your favorite modding website. I prefer modrienth.com, but you can use CurseForge as well. The first mod we're going to download is the Fabric API. This is required for most Fabric mods. On Modrinth, click on Mods at the top. Fabric API should be near the top. Click on it. Then click the Versions tab at the top. Select the latest version of Fabric API for your Minecraft version, which is 1.21x. Click Download, and save it to your desktop. Repeat this process for other Fabric mods you want. For example, let's download Sodium. Click on the Mods tab, find Sodium, and click on it. Again, click on the Versions tab and select the version of Sodium compatible with Minecraft 1.21x. Click Download, and save it to your desktop. Okay, now that we have our Fabric mods downloaded, let's install them. The easiest way is through the Minecraft launcher. Open the Minecraft launcher. At the top, click on Installations. Find the Fabric Loader installation and click on the file icon next to it. This will open your Minecraft installation folder. Inside this folder, find the Mods folder. If you don't have one, create a new folder named Mods. Now, simply drag and drop the Fabric mods you downloaded into the Mods folder. Move them into the folder. That's it. Our mods are now installed. Exit out of the File Explorer. Click Play in the Minecraft launcher and select the Fabric Loader version. You might need to click I understand the risks, and then play. As you can see, Minecraft has loaded up. You'll know it's working because in the bottom left corner it will say Minecraft version number and Fabric with modded in brackets. You can now start playing Minecraft with your mods. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.